Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of There Are Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 42. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Teacher C. Right now, she was on the school, preparing for the play. She was fixing students' hair and so on. Well, these times, it is symmetrical. I see, it's easier to draw your eyebrows than to draw yourself. Teacher C is amazing. Louie is praising Teacher C right now. Well, the relationship of the two of them are getting closer to each other. Right now, suddenly, Teacher C, she looked up. Well, did she really notice something? Someone was coming in. Looking at her, she seems to be surprised. It turns out it was Lu Shishao right now. She enters the room. Lu Wei was standing behind Teacher C. Lu Shishao, she looks really gorgeous, especially a strong independent woman wife. Suddenly, Lu Shishao nears towards Xian, Foss, and she was only looking at Xian. Xian, seeing her, of course, she really smiled on her. Look at this girl. She is waving her hand, like she was really happy seeing her. She really attended to watch the plays of Lu Wei. Right now, she even thought to herself that subconsciously she was really hurrying to go and watch Lu Wei's play. Well, right now, it seems that there's something wrong with her. Seeing Xian, she remembered what Xian wants really for her. Back then, she wants her to try a red swimsuit. But suddenly, there's someone calling Teacher C right now, and the two of them finally getting interrupted. She turned her head. Well, she don't want to feel embarrassed. Right now, Teacher C answered and said, huh? But looking at Lu Shishao, she seems to be blushing. Well, she really it is. And she turned around. She's going to find Lu Wei, but Lu Wei was not there. Don't know where Nunyo went, but just told me to take pictures. Well, right now, she need to find Lu Wei so she can take a pictures with her. Well, she was searching for Lu Wei until when she looked at the side of the room, it was Lu Wei. Well, she seems to be surprised. Lu Wei was there. There's a boy classmate wiping Lu Wei's face. Right now, she really find her, but it seems it was really troublesome. Anything to eat on the chin. Right now, Nunu, the boy is calling Lu Wei. But seeing things like this, of course, Shishao right now seems to be terrified seeing daughter with a boy. See other classmates are preparing. What are you doing here? Shishao is being tough right now. Seems that she's really angry. But on the other hand, seeing Lu Wei holding a bag of chips right now, she feels guilty and conscious. Well, maybe Lu Wei, she was really hungry. That's why she accepted boy's snack. Boy said to Lu Shishao, hello auntie, I'm Wang Shei, a classmate of Lu Wei. It seems that the boy is really disciplined. Well, a well-mannered boy. But right now, because I couldn't finish the snack, I ate it with classmate Lu. It seems that this boy is only concerned about Lu Wei. But let's hope Lu Shishao will not misunderstand this. Do you need to feed snacks? But he's so magnanimous. I'm not good. What did you say? Well, right now, looking at it, he really needs to try to calm down. 4 months should also start soon. Let's meet with the big team inside. Lu Shishao said to the two kids. Well, looking at it, well, probably see things like this. She was still young. A lot of possibilities in the future. The voice seems to be good. Then, Teacher C, I want to ask you something alone. It is convenient now. Shisha was asking Xian. Xian said to her, let's go to the office. I really want to discuss things about this. Shisha suddenly goes away. I want to follow Teacher C on the office so she can discuss trivial things like this. Especially, it's for Lu Wei. Back then, on the office, the room seems to be empty. Only Xian was there. Well, Lucy Xiao, she should arrive sooner. Right now, there's someone knocking on the door. Well, this is it. Lucy Xiao looking for Xian. Oh, Xian said, come in. Well, Lucy Xiao suddenly puffed off. Lucy Xiao was calling teacher C. Well, at now, she seems to be calm. Also, was looking at Xian. Well, this must be a really awkward moment. She goes in, she can see that only Xian was on the room, and she was sitting down on the table. Right now, Xian said, sit down. Probably Xian was really surprised. That's why Lu Shishao was calling her. See, is there a boy named Wang Sei in the class? Well, it turns out like this. The voice. Teacher C right now. Yes, what's wrong? Xian answered her. But Lu Shishao right now, she looks really disturbed. I saw that boy feeding New today and even wipe her mouth. Well, right now, seems to be shy. Really needs to listen to her. She was thinking so many things right now. But having a mother and he was still a child. Well, a lot of things you want to know, but right now, Yu is still so young, her mind is still not mature. In case she has become one of these people. So this is it, she want to convene in to teacher Xian. Sometimes children don't think too much and it's often adults who think about things serious. Well, right now at least. In case. Right now, Xian, she was really firm about it. Well, Lu Wei was still a child. Not in case, Xian said to her. Hands up Lu Shishao. This is not a serious things for now. Xian, you want to tell Lu Shishao, at school, I will help you to steer. You want to help Lu Shishao see whatever moves of Lu Wei when she was in the school. Well, it's really convenient for her. Now, Xian, she's trying to assure her. So Lu Shishao don't need to worry about her daughter. Right now, Xian, she was looking at her with a fear move. Of course, she need to be straightforward. So, Lu Shishao could calm down. Right now, Lu Shishao, thank you. Don't thank me, Xian said to her. Well, of course, right now, she's been so scared so much. Lu Wei is the only family she left. Don't say thank you to me. Oh, Xian, she was really assured. That's why she's trying to make her calm down. So the story is getting better. Let's hope we can get a new one next week. It was really getting interesting. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!